Hello, valued guests. This video is an update from the one that I posted earlier about being an essential service. Most of you have probably read that the government has deemed the sales departments of dealerships to be non-essential. So for that reason, we will be working remotely for our sales department. Our team is still here to help our valued guests understand the complexities that are rolling around COVID-19 and how that may impact your contract currently, and any questions that you may have. We are here to help you navigate that. Please reach out to us via our websites. You can reach fraserford.ca or fraserchrysler.ca, and all of our information is detailed on both of those websites to be able to help you best. Our team for the sales department is continuing to work with our valued clients to be able to help you on any essential services that you require. Please do not worry about anything. We are here to help you. We are in this together, and together we will succeed.